Thanks for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a little happy mail to share with you. This is good timing because I am going to a crop and create this weekend. I don't know if any of you have heard of it. It's a traveling scrapbook event that happens in Canada, and it's really a lot of fun. I'm going to take some footage this weekend while I'm there, and I'll give you guys an overview of everything that's involved. It's really so much fun. So it is put on by Scrapbooking Cards Today, which is the same company that I buy these samplers from. And I see some doodlebug in here that looks really cute. So this is just a little sampler that they send. You can subscribe. I've subscribed for the year, and they give you a little taste of some different products that are new from some different companies. So we have Doodlebug, Close to My Heart, Pink Paisley, and Freckled Fawn. So that's very exciting. Wow. I do a December daily, and having little papers like this and these little stickers, oh, that's perfect. That'll be so cute. I'm going to do actually a pink and blue sort of colored December daily this year. So these colors will fall right in line with that. So you can see it's just a perfect little sample of some of the new products that you can purchase full lines of. And these are really fun and cute. I find Doodlebug's line to be very almost like kiddish, which is great. I really like these types of stickers, and I have kids and I scrapbook them a lot, so it matches the work that I do. So we've moved now into Pink Paisley. This is the Whimsical collection by Paige Evans. So they cut up some 12 by 12 sheets, and they send you little square samples in a 6 by 6 shape, which is quite handy for working on December daily. So this looks like it goes with that line. These are fantastic. My girlfriend's going to be so excited. She loves Doodlebug. These are really nice. I've had some requests to carry Doodlebug, so I'm going to look into that. They don't ever offer discounts on their products like some of the other companies will offer sales, and Doodlebug doesn't typically do that, so we haven't brought them in, but I could look at bringing some in, not so much as a deal, but as just a great product to get. Really pretty. I like those a lot. And then from Freckled Fawn, there are some foam words: dad, brother, cousin, papa. That's perfect. Papa is what we call my dad for the kids. Together, this cute paper clip with a fringe. A couple more little die cuts that belong with Paige Evans. And a stamp. Heap of congrats. From Close to My Heart. So just a cute little happy mail that is nice to see in my mailbox. And I will check in with you guys. I'll make some footage this weekend and put together a video so you guys can see what Crop and Create is all about. Thanks for coming by. See you until next time. Bye.